2 years ago, Google was embarrassing itself in AI. Their chatbot was hallucinating facts. Their search engine was giving dangerous advice. And Wall Street thought Google was finished. But today, even OpenAI is panicking because this is no longer about chatbots. Google might be winning the entire AI war.
When ChatGPT launched in late 2022, Google looked completely lost. OpenAI gained 100 million users in just 2 months. Meanwhile, Google rushed out its own chatbot called Bard, and it failed publicly. During a live demo, Bard hallucinated a basic scientific fact. In a single day, Google lost over $100 billion in market value. Investors were asking a serious question. Had Google already lost the future? The situation got worse. Google search started rolling out AI answers, and those answers told people to eat rocks, to add glue to pizza. Even that smoking during pregnancy was safe. For a company built on trust, this was embarrassing. Many people believed Google was simply too big and too slow to compete in AI. But quietly, something changed. In late 2025, Google released a new AI model called Gemini 3. And this time, it wasn't a small upgrade. Gemini 3 outperformed GPT-5 on most major benchmarks. Internally, OpenAI declared a code red because Google was no longer catching up. It was pulling ahead. To understand why this matters, you need to understand the AI stack. AI isn't just one product. It's a system with multiple layers: chips, data centers, AI models, products, and devices. Most companies control one, maybe two of these layers. Google controls all of them. Take chips, for example. NVIDIA dominates AI by selling powerful GPUs, but Google designs its own AI chips called TPUs. And Gemini 3 was trained entirely on Google's TPUs. That proved something critical.
Then there's cloud infrastructure.